Hi guys, so today we're back on another video. I know it's been quite a while, but we're playing Breaking Story today. I'm going to be an adult, Darwin's going to be a kid, no, adult as well, so yeah.
Guys, after this game, I promise I will change my name back to Darwin.
Oh yeah,
If I don't do then I suck and Fred I can put water on my head in the next video.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're going to get into a game. I hope it goes well, Darwin.
Yeah,
Let's go. Let's get in this one.
Yeah. I'm a penguin. I'm a penguin. Just saying.
Yeah. And I'm a doge.
This was one of my first games.
I'm a doji boy. Game contains flashing
Wait, someone
lights.
says the one playing in Adopt Me.
Who said
Adopt Me sucks.
Oh, someone said you're adopted. Whoa! And your parents left with the receipt. Ooh.
Oh my god.
They are getting violated.
I have a bit of a cough.
Those kids. You're adopted and your parents left without the receipt, so they can't take you back. My guy, you're adopted forever. Well, that sucks.
And I saw an office to foster him.
No.
But no one will because
I'm going over
everyone
here.
hates him. There's already
I'm going this way. I'm going to the manhole. I'm going in here. I'm going in the back garden.
But I have 500 things on.
I can see the bedroom.
Well, we've got some anime here.
Anime woman.
Well, it might not be anime. Someone found the basement key.
Sewer.
Click on it.
It said not yet for the sewer.
Not yet.
Not yet. That's 2 words. No. Not yet. Uncle Pete, what does he want? 1 apple, 1 Bloxy Cola, 1 apple pie. Wonder if you can go on the roof after. Like, there's a balcony here. You found a locked vault.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, there's lots of things.
Oh yeah, it's different for
Wait, the
everyone.
attic's open.
Ready? The ladder. Oh, I know how to get the ladder.
Which room
Money.
shall we go in?
I'm going in blue, probably. Or green.
Shall we go in green?
Yeah. Green's the better one. I wonder if you know it says but it's too dark to see inside.
If you want to go in the green room, then you have to sleep next to a window.
Oh, okay. I need to go upstairs though, because there's this mini game in this room. In this room? You can do it. You do it on the computer. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it is. You go in.
Someone's name is not open.
So here in the green room, I'm pretty sure. Or is it not now? Yeah, well, you can turn the lights on in the basement. Like mini game. I have to find all the light switches.
In that bed.
Yeah. know.
Me.
Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Guys. I know. Guys, if we get to 50 subscribers, I'll stop saying this, but like and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Because, mental health.
For our well-being.
Going in the bathroom. There's a Bloxy Cola in the
Hot.
bathroom. And toilet paper.
Stuff comes under there.
Yes. And you can turn on the bath and the shower at the same time.
Oh, you're written at the same time.
Whoa. Toilet's glowing.
Wait, I dropped the soap.
Whoa. Turn the light off. There's a light here. Can't see anything.
I can
Wait,
see my
actually-
bed.
Look.
Look.
Yeah, it's in my bed. Emergency drip.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. The purge has begun. Villains are on the loose and should be avoided. Do not engage them, or you may be injured or killed. Aliens are being invaded and destroyed.
How is that a Roblox game?
It's a dude in a car. It's Maggie in a car. Maggie.
Oh.
Okay, let's go to bed. Maggie in his car. He just be like, welcome.
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get attacked.
Yeah, we've got 2 other people in there. We've
Okay.
got 2
I have
kids.
apples and cookies. And Bloxy Colas.
I
I'm
have
saving.
2 apples, 2 cookies, 1 Bloxy Cola.
I have 2 apples, 1 cookie.
I have
one
$40.
cookie.
But
I have 30.
someone's trying to type something but can't because they're stupid.
Wait,
They should have been the same.
Wait.
option.
we've been broken into. Yeah. Go,
It's like
get him.
1.
Get him. I'm losing like 1 health. Okay, got him. Yeah, that was easy. Again, nothing happened.
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
No.
Yeah, I never
Chilling.
woke up, just saying.
I need an apple pie.
You can't buy stuff, you have to make it yourself.
Anyone got 1 apple? No,
Oh,
apple
pull it
pie.
out, pull it out.
Okay. Hey, darling, I need you.
Just board or you want like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Order.
If it still counts.
Yeah. Even if it doesn't look it, you can still order them that way. I mean, until it physically doesn't let you. Yes. Okay. We have to fill every place. Oh, and the bathroom. Can't forget the bathroom. Oh, someone's done.
I'm gonna go downstairs and put it again.
No, because that's not our room. Okay.
That seems really good.
It's our room.
Oh!
What?
So I'm listening to people in there.
No one's gonna come in.
There
It turns on
is
the
a
lights.
monitor.
You know, I said the mini game, you can turn on the lights.
There's
That's what
no
I'm talking about.
paintballing out this window, but if you're feeling scared,
Guys, I'm going down here. I'm getting the ladder.
just pull at the door. If you pull at the door, you can get in. You can jump. Oh!
Guys, I'm getting the ladder so we can get up to the place.
Oh wait,
No.
you're sacrificing yourself for that.
Yeah. I'm eating as well. Hello. I'm sacrificing myself.
Yes, mate. Don't leave the pizza out there, that's the thing. Imagine the cutscene starts the second you're about to go.
That's it. How are you already up here?
How is this a weapon?
What's your weapon? Don't need that pizza. I don't want food actually. Here's a better weapon. You did a great job.
We're doing something great, so Ali. There's like 500 things you just call Ali. Yeah, are we stuck in the attic? I just saw the attic from the place.
Oh, you do realise, I'm gonna go get some. Why?
We're gonna sit in the seat because it's the right.
What if I hold pizza already? I shouldn't eat the one I found in the basement, should I? In the
It's not a
attic.
basement. Oh, pie. I got pie.
Apple.
Sorry.
Pizza is apple.
I told you.
I think.
Well, I have 500 pieces.
Wait, do you have one apple?
I have 2.
We can give Scary Larry the. Not Scary Larry. The other dude the stuff again. Get into the attic.
No.
Why?
Go into your bed.
You can't get up there.
Oh, I can't get up.
Yeah, it is sleep time, isn't it? We'll
Oh,
come
I
up
have to
here.
protect the whole lot from.
I'm coming.
Yeah, we boarded
It's fine
out.
again, then. Okay, we're good.
Map is food.
Hi. Did you realise we can complete the guy's quest? I don't know what pie this is though. It needs to be epic. Yes, isn't it? Again,
Oh, there's 2.
die.
There's 2. Oh, we have like 2 people over there. So we're good. I think the other person's hiding.
Where's this guy in?
Oh, the laptop! Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Let me in the laptop.
Someone's healing.
What?
Someone's healing someone.
Cool.
Heal me.
I stayed in the seat. Okay, now. Here we go. Okay.
Be safe, be safe.
Yeah. Look. We closed the hatch.
Get in or get out. It's not matter.
Fireworks.
It's the way to go.
Wait, but they say Scary Larry goes upstairs. Where he goes into the room. Oh, we're safe now. We might be safe. Because this will just teleport.
Oh!
Go up. Oh, it's locked.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine, you're fine.
No, I'm not.
Oh, yes.
I'm behind the
good.
stairs.
You're good, you're good. We are so, you are so lucky. You're so lucky Naruto and Annie.
Then guys, we go.
Like Story Larry will be at the end of this video. He dies.
Make sure to stay tuned. We're gonna defeat Scary Larry. That guy over there.
He's coming scares.
Why is he doing it so slowly?
He's so bad. He's the one that he's the one that's
Oh yeah,
so
by the way,
bad.
it locks the after. You can't. I want the mop.
Whoa!
What?
Is that one of Scary Larry's things? Look. Three of them. No. Can I launch rocket? I think you can.
You can move them.
Doesn't it say like only take one you can read and move?
Yeah.
Oh mate. What?
There's a code.
The
I
lad
found
is
the code.
back.
4635 is the code. 4635. Okay, I'm gonna go do that, okay? Oh, I lost health. Oh, and the burnt pipe.
What did it
Cut me.
Don't.
What? Do what?
Fine. Oh, they're broken. They're NPCs.
4635.
NPC.
Hello. I think we're bad.
Oh!
What? Okay, I got apple.
Dude, the pipe hurt me.
Oh, you're still here. Yeah, so one. Bed. I'm in.
Oh, those two are fighting.
Can I get in? He is near the end of the bed. I need it. Yes! I got the
I
bed.
got the bed too.
Yeah. That guy. But look at my health, bro. Like, it was really
Can somebody give me energy? No.
just
I'm a bot to die. What?
never bot. Someone said it's okay. Okay.
436.
No, can I do it, Darwin? I found it.
Okay.
Thanks.
Are we sharing?
Yeah.
I think it does automatically share. It's in the kitchen. He's doing it. Other guy.
I don't have the money. Oh, I got £30.
I got 10.
You still got some.
I can buy a lot of stuff.
That's scary, Larry.
Oh. Isn't that scary, Larry?
I have rock. What do I do
From
with
Gorilla
big
Tag.
rock? What do I do with big rock?
You brought it.
I give Uncle Pete.
Oh, I see it.
Well, actually, why this rock? Oh, I unequipped it and it disappeared.
a medical kit. I can't heal myself, but I have a bag of chips.
I got the rock again.
Yes, 30 charges.
Oh, Darwin, pick up. I think I have to get all the pieces of the rock.
I can heal you. Maybe I need.
Maybe. You get one.
We need one more person.
Oh no. You have to keep it equipped.
I healed you.
Oh, thanks. Equip it. Get the rock. I'm gonna type. Take. Oh, I'm not typing. Chat. No. Take rock. Yeah. Why am I not typing?
Just 2
Technical
apples, you get
issues.
a pie.
What?
I lost the rock.
No. You need rock.
I have a bag of chips.
Oh, I didn't buy anything. I'm going quickly. It's too late, isn't it? No, because you said that, then it gives you time to get back to the house.
You can buy chips in a med. Oh, you would have been able to buy chips in a med kit.
Never mind. Oh, it's all here.
Oh, you lost it.
Oh, place another apple.
You lost the rock. Everyone
Remember.
all the pieces.
You hear this, guys?
No.
Okay, now I have to run.
Oh, but no, no.
Can you go to the attic?
I saw the attic, like the ladder in the music.
you still up with me? They're like everything.
Oh, they're like oh my god, yeah. And they have high energy.
Oh, someone died here. No. Okay, we'll go in the same room.
Shit, we are. Oh wait, this person was hiding. Oh, there's just one person. I think there's a kid. And then that one in.
Oh, really?
Oh no, they're coming in
there's
our
only
room.
four.
Oh, they're
We're
coming in
all
our
in the
room.
same room. Okay, when we get some. Wait, no one's got attacked. Oh no, guys.
I think we might get attacked from us. And then it
This
will be the
might be
scary
that.
Larry.
Scary Larry boss fight.
And then he chases us and
And then he
does
chases us and that
and
happens.
then he does slash TP in front of us. Oh wait, we're done.
He's on the floor. He was. Oh, hello.
Dude, I can buy another bag of chips.
I can't collect mine.
Is someone here?
I can't. My game's lagging. Oh no, my game's lagging. Okay. Yeah. Everyone's. Oh, broadcast. TV. Oh no, it's not, is it?
This is scary Larry evading Roxy back. Oh wait.
I'm trying to open the front door.
Wait, the pizza delivery guy giving us pizza.
Opened.
Anyway.
Yeah. Okay, run. What if we
The
go near
person
them?
was behind mine.
What if we go behind mine? Like, scary Larry. And then, right. He's so slow. Oh, I know what I'm seeing.
There's a convenient sign for sensor.
Yeah. Mm.
I can't even see him.
Oh, there's parkour down here. Let's go. Oh, and you can save people if they do start to die. This is flooded. That's like a rat person. Guys, the lamb's coming.
Scary Larry
Yeah. Why is this so loud? Oh, the person behind us is down. Oh my god, I just saved him. I'm not saving him again. You better not. I don't have enough health. I'm going. You're saving him next time.
This guy's asking for help.
Scary Larry. Flooded. I don't know why this happens in the game, because like, Scary Larry's not a tech thing. He's a wind-up, but
asking what else, but he has high.
Oh yeah. Where is
And I
again?
accidentally killed you again.
I think I'm max now. Oh, he's there. Hello. Why is he right there? Why is he there? Isn't he meant to be there? Oh, yeah, now he is. Super jump.
Hello,
Hi.
my name is Gary. Yeah,
Yeah.
we've seen you all over the stupid news.
I think I know that. You've been playing easy mode? Nah. Actually, at the start, I picked adults hard mode.
Easy mode.
Actually, you know, adults hard mode, it classifies. It's easy.
Someone healed me. Someone healed me again.
Tell you to subscribe.
Ow. Thorn right in the
Okay, if we're good.
groin.
Hello. Scary lovely.
Wait, you can get
defeated him.
He just broke to pieces.
That was easy. Hello.
Look at this.
Wait, take his crowbar, someone. Don't have enough energy to use it.
You did it.
Wait,
Oh,
someone
I said
heal
that was
me.
very loud.
Someone heal me.
I did.
Again. I need to.
I don't have any more charges.
Oh.
I don't have enough energy to use it.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
You
Heal
need
me.
max.
I think you need max energy to wield it.
Heal him.
Please. I need to wield the golden crowbar of truth. Why do you still have your weapon?
Oh, it just stays there.
We won. What are we doing now? I'm pushing him into the water. Goodbye. Oh, scary. Scary. He's going into the water. And the crowbar. Good ending. Is it the Pete dude? I think his name was Pete.
Uncle Pete.
Yeah. He lowered the ladder for us. He saved us.
Do you think we should play Among Us in our next video?
No.
There's hide and seek in it.
Yeah, there is.
It's really
Good ending.
see ya in prison.
Wait, why am I still up here? I'm still down here.
Wait, haven't we killed them all?
Yeah. Wait, why am I still there? I'm still down. I need to come back up. I'm not going to the lobby yet. I need to see what's up here. It's blinding me, this light.
It's blinded you
What
so
is it
much
doing?
that you are Fortnite.
I'm stuck down here now. Right. Well. I guess I only have one more thing to say. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you all next time, next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye guys.